Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian markets were mixed after mixed messages on Chinese manufacturing, though a series of broadly positive earnings reports boosted the Japanese market. Two sets of data released early Friday measuring Chinese manufacturing activity pointed to different trends in the local factory sector. Chinese stocks started the day lower, initially reacting to the official number before paring their losses after HSBC's reading was released. Hong Kong Sensex Index was down 0.4%, the Nikkei was up 0.5% after a large number of local companies reported on Thursday. The broadly positive news helped push shares higher. The Australian dollar fell to $1.0393 from $1.0442 before the data was released. In FX markets, the yen falls to multi-year lows against other major currencies as US fiscal concerns ease for now and expectations grow for Chinese growth, buoying risk-taking sentiment and selling of the safe haven currency. The US dollar was a touch higher against the yen on Friday after rising 0.7% overnight. The pair was recently at 91.91 yens compared with 91.71 late Thursday in New York. The greenback advanced 5.7% against its Japanese counterpart in January, a trend that has proven broadly supportive of stocks in Tokyo. The major economic data released due Friday will be US non-farm payrolls. The employment report will give investors a chance to check on the health of the world's largest economy, just days after the Federal Reserve completed its latest policy meeting, as well as releasing preliminary fourth quarter growth data that surprised on the downside. US January employment report is expected to show an increase of 166,000 in non-farm jobs, 155,000 in December, with an unchanged unemployment rate of 7.8%. Some recent consensus estimates seems to paint a much higher number as the January data release thus far has been on the positive side. And so analysts guess the current whisper number is already around 185,000 to 200,000. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.